If you've watched my YouTube videos in the past, or you follow my Twitter, or you follow my TikTok, or you follow my Instagram, you are rich today. I know some of you watch my videos and you don't use the iFVG model, but on a day like today, you're rich if you take the iFVG model. Okay, like, let me just show you. All right. If you have applied everything you've learned from my videos, as you can see here, we left equal lows at low day. Well, what's my favorite liquidity pool? Equal lows and equal highs. What's my favorite entry model? iFVGs. Okay. Clear 3-minute iFVG here. Delivery off of this bearish fair value gap. Exactly what I teach. At the same time, purging these two equal highs. Close under a bullish fair value gap. Here's your entry. Right down to my favorite liquidity pool using my favorite model. Right? How hard is that? How hard is that to understand? I teach in every video. I show you guys in every video. I show you guys these models. It was during the kill zone, right? It gave us the entry right at 130. Oh, would you look at that? Right when the kill zone starts. Who would have known? And you can just see the effect and the power of this, right? Here's another one right here. All right. And before I forget, don't forget to buy an Apex account. They did do an 80% off sale. All right. So make sure to buy an Apex account if you want to learn this model and watch my YouTube videos and practice it. You can get a $50 or $50K account, sorry, for really cheap. So make sure to buy that. But you're gonna see right here, all right, you can see another iFVG model worked. Okay. Went back to the highs here. All right. Another iFVG model here would have gone to stop the break even because we closed under and we hit the internal low inside of fair value gap. Another liquidity pool I teach. Okay. Another one from this morning on the 5-minute right here. Okay, I alerted this in my stream. Okay, close over. Target the high and target wherever else you want. I don't know. You can just see how powerful these are. And if you don't see that, you're blind. Okay, I have to say it, you're blind. I mean, I don't understand how people do not trade with iFVGs. I don't. Okay. Another one here. Okay, this was actually against my rules so long because we left equal lows, but another one there. Went back to the high, so this is better entry than that. Okay. See if we have another one here. I think there's a clean one on the 3-minute from earlier. Another one here. Okay. Now, this is not the exact entry model I teach. Actually, yeah, it is because we didn't bounce off fair value gap here. But it is a good entry model, right? Because we need to go back to discount. Okay. And I don't know if we ever hit discount again. Did we? Yeah, we did. So we were in premium, had to go back to discount. What else did we have here? Equal lows. My favorite liquidity pool again. All right. Discount and equal lows. Right. Everything I teach you guys, from my favorite liquidity pool to my favorite fair value gaps, all work today. All in the form of a market maker sell model. All right. Now, look at this price action here. Look how bad this was. What does this mean? If AM session is bad, PM session is better. That's when the market maker model completes. It completes cleanly. It delivers cleanly. We go back down to the equal lows from this morning. And there was a ton of iFVGs you could have gotten into, including this one here. Okay. This one here, which if you've watched my videos, you know this isn't valid because we hit the low at the same time. So this isn't valid. This one here. And if you've watched my videos, you've also known this isn't valid. However, oh, let me go on the 5-minute chart here. Let me look to the left. What do you see? Equal lows. What does that mean you can do? That means you don't have to wait. You do not have to wait for a 1 minute here. You could take any time frame as long as you're confident in liquidity. So that means you could have taken this candle close because we closed below this one and this one here. And we did not hit the internal low first. Well, where's your target? Is it here or is it the close? Well, this was the sell side that was swept previously, so this doesn't matter. These are not new stop losses. I mean, maybe they are, but not as many stop losses as is going to be resting here. Okay, there's going to be many more stops resting here. So what do? You can enter when this breaks, stop a close above, and 1.83 target. So you can see on a day like today, you could apply these concepts very well. Okay, even here, look at here, right here. We swept sell side, 1 minute iFVG back to the upside. Okay, and you would have targeted probably here. And it looks like you would have scaled probably half and then stop at break even. Why do you scale half? Well, what if we reject this fair value gap? Scale half there, it's about a 1-to-1, which is fine for a scale out, and you target the rest. So you can just see how powerful these iFVGs are on a day like today. Okay, even here, right here as well. Okay, we get an iFVG here. I think it was actually better in the 1 minute. So some people took this. You had to be confident in, okay, we've hit sell side. We're at least going to go back to this intermediate term high. Another one of my favorite liquidity pools. When you look at that, right back to the intermediate term high. Bodies respect this fair value gap, and it works for a short. Okay, so you can see how powerful these are. There's not much for me to say. My teaching of iFVGs is basically over with. You guys know how to play them. You guys know how to play them like how I do. I don't need to make a video every day going over these because you now have the knowledge you need. Okay, you have the knowledge you need to trade these iFVGs. I can't help you anymore. I can't help you with discipline. I can't help you with your risk management. Some people have different stops. Some people trade them a little differently. But from this standpoint, I cannot teach you anymore regarding iFVGs. Okay, it's all you. It's you against you. It's not me against you. I've already taught you the knowledge you need to know. And, you know, iFVGs are just, they're popping, all right? Hopefully the algo never changes. That was a joke because it's not going to. But learn iFVGs, moral of the story. I've taught you everything you need to know. I will continue to do iFVG reviews in the future because I think they're good to point out the signature and price. But iFVGs, my favorite liquidity pools, equal highs, equal lows, intermediate term highs, intermediate term lows, and time. That's all you need. 3 things. That is the end of the video. If you want to watch me live stream every single day, join the link or click the link in the description below and comment studio. Peace.